What's up, you guys? We are doing try yourself at home facial or do yourself at home facial. All you need is your favorite cotton balls, face mask, sleep mask, witch hazel, and a steamer. First things first, just to throw a disclaimer out there, I'm a professional when it comes to the way I do my at home facials, and it's very easy, so let's get started. So as I said, I am not a professional. I'm a professional when it comes to my face and my face only. I'm just showing you guys how to do it at home. Take out your witch hazel, put it on your cotton ball. I like to do this to remove all the dirt and makeup I have on my face. Take out your mini steamer that you have. Steam your face for about 15 minutes. And if you guys do not have a at-home facial steamer, you can actually do it the old school way, which is taking a pot, fill it up with water, let it boil, put your face over the pot of water with a towel, and you're done. Once your pores are open, take a shower with your favorite facial wash. Once that is done, moisturize your face and you're good to go. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.